Joan is in the motherfucking building. Love it or just hate. Either way, I'm still great. Hello, you guys. First of all, I want to apologize because I know I made some promises to a lot of my supporters. I said I'll be having a video up every night, 12 a.m. Eastern time. Technical difficulties, you know, I'm gonna tell y'all why, you know, the videos ain't been posting. Actually, there's several reasons why my videos haven't been posting like they should. First of all, I've been blocked from posting stuff on Facebook. Yeah, so like, I've been blocked for I think like 2 days, 48 hours, 24 hours. So I've been blocked from there. And then on top of that, my camera got stolen last night. So this is a brand new camera I'm actually recording from. Oh, I'm gonna get into that too. Yes. Oh yeah, we got a lot to talk about. So yeah, today I got a lot of videos on standby, so today I probably dropped like maybe 3 videos at one time, you know? Just for the simple fact that I haven't been consistent with the videos like I know I can be and should be. So yeah. But anyway, okay, we're gonna jump right into it. The topic for today is you need to watch these niggas when they fucking you. Well, not just niggas, just guys, period. If you let any guy penetrate you, you gotta be very careful. Very fucking careful. You wanna know why? Because they would take the motherfucking condom off and you could just be so, you know, into it. You just like, oh my god, yeah, fuck me. Oh, and not even know if they took the motherfucking condom off. Not me. Not me, bitch. I'm gonna tell you what the fuck happened last night. So last night I met this dude or whatever, you know, he told me he just got out of jail, all this fuck shit, blah, 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 blah. He was sexy, you know, I was high and drunk at the same damn time. So I'm like, you know what? Oh, by the way, shout out to my garage, right? You see this little ensemble I'm wearing? She made it. Hold on, I want you to get the full effect of this. Not to get off topic, but you know, I'm gonna try to check it out. Yeah, look at this ensemble. Ensemble. Yeah, my boo Andrea made it. You like it, baby? Because I love it. Thank you, Andrea. But anyway, where was I at? Yeah, so I'm like, okay, fuck it, come over. You look good. I'm horny. I'm fucked up. Let's get it poppin'. So, oh, and bitch, I could tell he just got out because, bitch, the first 3 seconds, he's like, okay, that's just how I like it, baby. That's just how people be saying, oh, that shit knock your balls in. Bitch, my snowball still standing motherfucking tall. Fuck is wrong with y'all? Anyway, you know, he just started just going in. I'm like, oh, I was loving it. But then I noticed he stopped. Like, he stopped. And, like, I felt his hand, like, you know, move like he slung something off or something. And then he went to go put it back in. Well, when he stopped, it slipped out. And then I noticed, like, his hand slung, like, he did something, and then he tried to put it back in. So I was like, hold on. And then I went to, like, when he tried to put it back in, I grabbed it. Where the motherfucking condom at? I said, oh, nigga, where's the condom? He's like, I took it off. Why the fuck would you take the condom off without me knowing? And evidently, if I suggested the condom, it's because I practice safe sex. You just got the fuck out. You probably been fucking all kind of niggas. You might be a walking that same motherfucking day. You think you about to burn this exclusive artwork? You got me the fuck shot. So I was like, okay, it's over. Come on, it's time for you to go. Get your shit. Let's go. I was turned all the way the fuck off. Cause like, that's why I say, y'all gotta be real careful with these, when you battling for these dudes, because they do slick shit like that. Me, I'm always, you know, I'm always on my A game. Like, when I know when it's a change of pace, bitch, my motherfucking radar was like, like, what the fuck is you doing? You know, cause, bitch, that happened to me one time in motherfucking life. Motherfucker took the condom over and fucking, by the time I got through fucking, you know, he took it out. Where the condom is? I took it over. Are you fucking kidding me? You know, and it kind of weirds me out, because like, is these niggas trying to give me something? Like, is they trying to give me something, or they just don't give a fuck about their life? Like, what the fuck is wrong with them? So anyway, yeah, so he took the condom off. So I kicked him the fuck out. I said, hey, take your lousy ass $300. I took his motherfucking money, tossed it on the motherfucking floor, made him fetch for that shit like a fucking dog, and I said, you can get the fuck out. And like, what are you doing? I'm sorry, we can do it. My bad, I just wanted to feel everything, I was like, well, clearly I didn't want to feel everything. That's why I took the motherfucking condom out. You gonna take it off? You think your dick was just that good that I was gonna clock this shit? You got me fucked up. Nigga, take your shit, there's the door, let's go. You got 5 seconds. So, long story short, kicked him the fuck out. So when he left, I was like, because, you know, come to y'all recording these videos, this is like my therapy. So I'm like, okay, I gotta talk about this shit. I gotta blog about it. I looked, my motherfucking camera was missing. I said, hold it, I know this motherfucking nigga just stole my motherfucking camera. Bitch, I put my sneakers on some motherfucking pants, I ran out that motherfucking door looking for that nigga. Bitch, when he left my motherfucking place, he must have jetted. Cause bitch, it was crickets everywhere. I'm like, where the fuck is he? Oh, I was so motherfucking mad. I'm like, this motherfucker literally stole my motherfucking camera. For real? So I couldn't even talk to y'all about that situation last night. So I had to wait today, you know, to buy a new camera and come to y'all and talk to y'all about it. So, yeah, like, that was just crazy. So, my advice to y'all is be careful, you know, when you getting fucked by these dudes, because they would take the condom off so slick that you don't even realize it, because you're just so caught up in the moment, you know, and you just, you know, enjoying the dick. And before you fucking know it, bitch, motherfucking emerge, you know. So be careful with these motherfucking dudes. And basically that's all I'm gonna come and tell y'all today. And I love you all, and thanks for watching my videos. And always remember, if the hate ain't stopping, then you're fuck popping. Bye bye now.